Jaffa, this is Jaffa Battlecry Channel Television, where the dragon Mazi Sïmøn Ëkpa will be exposing the criminal Chinåsã Nwøru bad boy, where he's engineering and brainwashing his gullible followers, the Iraq themselves. They were listening to him, contributing on one way or the other. But let's listen to Dragon now, see how he's gonna blast the criminal on his channel live broadcast. Thank you very much. Let's watch it. Bye.
I want everybody to listen. You know, they claim that I was raising fund, and for that reason, they traced 1 million into my account, and so they have arrested me and all that. I just want the idiot to understand that it is because I'm a good guy. Otherwise, I can make tigi among na Kuwait. Tirisi. So by tomorrow, I will do exposition so that he will know that I know him very well. I want every Biafran to listen. For the very first time, let me break this silence.
Before that day now, you know, hey, before problem at their tapasi. You man not to know what all that problem at time. That in English, yes. He's 18 criminal charges. 18.
Are you hearing it? This is their meeting in Kuwait. The meeting of the criminals who fight against Biafra restoration and liberation in Kuwait. They gathered and they were discussing how they reported me to Finnish government, how they reported me to Finnish police. They were discussing how they went to the website of the police in Finland and they begin to feed them with information. And Chinåsã Nwøru is the one telling them that I was charged with 18 count charges. That I don't know what is coming. That I cannot travel anywhere. That you know, I don't know what is coming and all that. That they have furnished the information to the Finnish government. I want you people to listen to those who are fighting for freedom. But what you don't know is that I am inside his bedroom in Kuwait. You know our own, I don't hide. I am inside his bedroom in Kuwait. If I want anything today, but I'm a good guy. So I want you people to listen.
That fundraising, not against the law of Finland. That fundraising, not against the law of Finland. That fundraising on a giving and the hatred CLA go account here. Happy though this came last year, but them
are you hearing it? Chinåsã Nwøru telling his stupid goats in Kuwait in their meeting that the fundraising of ESN no illegal in Finland. So now I trace go into my account. Now be the 10 last year na so now they go ESN and I'm now 1 year na account. It is the information they gave to the Finnish authority. So now he is giving the people in Kuwait feedback. But I'm telling him that I am inside his bedroom. So let him continue. After today, let him continue to talk. Or maybe after tomorrow. I want you all to listen.
No, Osborne arrest. He had him arrested by Adria or Gaboso. Of course, I him meaning. I got chok, maybe I have to get because Akwụla otu ha na-esi eme. Ọ bụghị ejide gị ozugbo. Ọ dịghị ka Nigeria ọ bụ ejide gị. No. Yes. One of our brothers said, "My one with a problem there." But that William, us na ga-akpọ gị. Ha drop it say.
Are you hearing it? He said one of his brothers said, "Mboya with a problem there." Okpo Alpha. That person not Alpha. I have helped that guy in this country without collecting takeover. Criminals. I, Sïmøn Ëkpa, helped that criminal here in Finland. Without takeover. Karma is coming to all of them. Now, when you want a problem, now say, that problem, who brought him out? Me. Who fought for him in that problem? Me. Now, no, well, no, Sïmøn Ëkpa. You will not travel. If you want to travel, they will tell you, are you going to come back? Are you going to do this and do that? When he asked,